Praise the Lord. Today we discuss one topic. The topic name is responsibility, authority, right, and lost faith. So first of all, just coming to the point, responsibility. So today we will discuss the main point, responsibility. So God created every human being with some reason, and He given some responsibilities, some duties to every human being to be a fruitful person. So every human being on this earth is having some responsibilities, some duties. So it's God's point of view, or in this Christianity, we are also having some responsibilities toward the people and toward the God. We have some responsibilities toward the people, toward the God. So these responsibilities makes us the perfect people. These responsibilities will make us the righteous persons. These responsibilities will make us a good person. So every person having some responsibilities toward the God and toward the people. After the fulfillment of responsibilities, God given some rights or powers or authorities toward the people. Whenever we fulfill all responsibilities which are given to us toward the people and toward the God, then we are eligible to use the rights toward the people. We are eligible to use the powers toward the people. We are eligible to use our authority on the people. After completion of, after fulfillment of our responsibilities only. Without fulfilling the responsibilities, there is no eligibility to show the powers or to ask for rights. There is no rights for you if you are not fulfilling the responsibilities towards the people and God. So every human being is bounded with some responsibilities toward the people and toward the God. Now, for whom God will give the responsibilities of His kingdom. If God wanted to choose you as His servant or as a leader in His church or in His kingdom, if He want to choose you, you have to be faithful to the God. You have to be faithful to the God. God has to trust you by seeing your words and deeds, by seeing your behavior. You should be faithful in all the ways to the God. Then only God will give you some responsibilities which are related to the God's kingdom. And it is so difficult task that we are to be trusted by the God, because God only the trusted one in this world and in this earth. But when will be trusted by the God means whenever we are following His ways, whenever we are following His commandments, or whenever we are in His way of words, we will be trusted by the God. So whenever the God trusts us, He will give some responsibilities in His kingdom. That responsibilities may be a leader on the people, or that may be a church elder, or that may be a choir team leader, or that may be a pastor, or that may be a evangelist, or that may be a prophet. So anything that related to the responsibilities. Whenever we are trusted by the God to do a particular job or particular work, God will give us the responsibilities. Whenever we are fulfilling all responsibilities of a particular work or particular job, God will make us eligible to the authority, eligible to the rights or powers on the people. When we are fulfilling the all responsibilities given by the God, then God makes us eligible to show the power on the people, show the rights on the people, show the authority on the people. So now, why God gives us the responsibilities? Why God gives us the responsibilities? Means the responsibilities are good for us and good for the people. These responsibilities are good for us and good for the people. These responsibilities are related to the serve between the people. These responsibilities are related to the service between the people and God. Service between the two people, to do the good works, to do the good things between the people or between the people or God. So these responsibilities are always referred to the good things between the people or between the people and God. So most of the people will misunderstand the meanings of responsibilities. So most of the people don't know the all responsibilities of a particular job or particular work assigned by the God. Although they don't know all the responsibilities of a particular job or work, they used to show the rights, or they used to show the authority on the people, and this is not correct. In these days, most of the people don't know the responsibilities of a particular job, or particular church elder, or particular prayer team, or particular servants of God, but they interested to show the rights and show the authority on the people. So this is not correct. So whenever we fulfill the responsibilities toward the people and God, we are eligible to take the rights or powers or authority. So this authority should be after fulfillment of responsibilities only.